Okay, you guys, welcome back to another video here on Geneva's Creative Crazy Life. This week I'm working on a butterfly themed baby shower, and right now I'm working on the centerpieces, and I'm going to show you the materials and the process that I do to make these cute little rings centerpieces. First, I take a Dollar Tree candle plate right here, and I get one of the Dollar Tree floral rings right here. It's foam, you can stick things through it, and I hot glue them. Well, actually the hot glue alone won't work because of the glass, so I had to use some E6000 and some hot glue together. And the E6000 had to be combined with some Gorilla Glue and some hot glue, and it worked. And it's very sturdy. Next, I'm going to take one of these big folders. I actually found these at the hair store, the hair supply store. They were hair bowls, but I took these. It had a pin that you could use it as a corsage. Then it had like a band that you could use it as a wrap, and it had a clip that you could use to clip in your hair. But I removed all of these from the back right here. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go over and hot glue this. I'm going to use the back 3 petals to wrap around, and you can see that I'm wrapping it around, just 3 to secure it to the green floral ring. And once I do that, I'll be back to show you how it looks, and we'll go to the next step. Okay, you guys, as you can see, I'm back, and I have hot glued the rose to the floral ring, and all I did was take 3 petals in the back and flip them over and hot glue them, and then I just bent the rest of the petals that were behind those backwards, so it looks like it's flowing. I'm going to do the same thing for those to make it stand up a little straighter. And next, I'm going to take, let me show you what I'm going to do with this. Next, I'm going to take some greenery that I had from my safari theme show, and I'm going to wrap it around to give it a floral or greenery leafy base look. And then I'm going to take some of these. Okay, like I said, we're going to take some. I took the greenery and put it around my base. And I picked these hydrangeas. They're purple hydrangeas. I picked these up from Dollar Tree. They had a pretty lavender purple looking color that I was looking for. And I'm just going to take a few pieces of that apart, and I'm not going to put the whole stem, but cut them apart, and then I'm going to put them around in the greenery at the bottom. And then I also purchased some pansies, some violet pansies, some violet purple pansies that they also came from the Dollar Tree. And as you can see, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add them throughout the foam circle as well. And this is how one that I've already been working on is coming along. But I will be back and show you the finished product for all 5 of the centerpieces. So stay tuned. Okay, you guys, as you can see, I have started filling in some of the gaps here, and you can see that if I turn it around, this is how it looks in the back. And what I'm doing now is I'm just filling in some of the green bone circle with some of the hydrangeas and some of the pansies that I had got from Dollar Tree. And here's some more pansies. That's a full bush. And this is, what I'm doing is, I can't find my floral shears, so I'm just using my regular scissors, and I'm just cutting like a little bit. I'm just making a little cut there, and I take it and I bend it into the part of the wire, and I find a spot, and I just, well, we have 3 more to do, so I'm just gonna stop on that one. But that's basically what I'm doing. I cut it about this big, and then I just find a spot and I just stick it on, because this is flowing, so it'll go in easy. But I think that's what I'm going to leave it at here, right here. And I'm going to go upstairs and see if I have some purple ribbon, and if I can find some purple ribbon upstairs. And if I decide to add that, then I'll let you know what I do with it. I'll show you how I plan to use it. But these are the 2 that I'm finished with so far. With that. Okay, you guys. I came back to update you on what I've done. Here, as you can see, I added greenery all around the green. Okay, you see how this one is. You see this was open, and I just had the greenery at the bottom. I went back and added greenery around all the sides of the floral ring to hide the green. Then I added, here as you can see, I added a white rose here to give it a pop of white, and I added the violet and the light purple, pansies. And here, as you can see at the top here in the flower, bend it over, I added a little butterfly in the rose. And this is also something else I'm going to do. I added lights. I haven't wrapped the rest of the greenery around this yet. But in here I did add the white rose, as you can see here. And I added in, I'm going to put it up close, some little pink butterfly LED lights. You can see the little battery pack under there. I'm going to have to put a little bit more greenery there to hide it. But as you can see, there's some white and pink lights all the way through the greenery here at the bottom. And I have some little pink butterflies that's going to be lit up right there too. Matter of fact, let me show you how it's going to look lit up. Give me 1 second. There we go. You can see how it's gonna look lit up, and you can see the little pink butterflies. I have a pink butterfly there, and some of the lights are just white.